And we're back. I had to make my own cork gasket out of a sheet that I got from Michael's. It looks a little rough around the edges, but I left extra material. That way I could see if there's a leak. If not, then I could trim that all off with the razor blade. But I am going to need another pan because this right here was brazed and fixed, and I thought I could put a little JB to stop the leak, but you can see the little drop that's just starting to form right there. I'll get that fixed eventually, but a pan costs like around $50, but the ones that I'm trying to find don't look like this one. This one's an original. The other ones are like fancy and they say Ford or Thunderbird on it, which is nice, but I don't really need that. I just want something that's simple like this is functional. But I'm about to start the car, that way I can get the fluid running around, because it needs to suck up all that oil it dropped. I have that right there, it's full of the old transmission fluid, and now I just need to start it, that way it sucks it all up. I can check the level again and make sure everything's going nice and good.